This only shows that the police are incompetent to discharge their duties. In offences of this nature, which are heinous, serious crimes against women, the police should be vigilant and take extra care to see that such incidents are not repeated. Now, first, that person escaped from a very serious offence. Now, equally serious is this offence. Here, where a woman has been a victim of such a heinous crime, the police should look at the antecedents of the person who has committed a crime. If that person appears to be having some criminal record, if he is not a local, he looks dangerous, he is desperate, they should make efforts. The court will grant permission to handcuff. They should take measures to ask the court to give permission, especially when it comes to persons who are not locals of Goa, who have not been residing in Goa. So they have to be, this is complete incompetency. The court cannot direct on its own to handcuff them. It is the police duty to see that such orders are taken from the court.
महिला काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष प्रतिमा कुतेनोनी मदी फण्ण मारले.
हांगा कितें जालें जाल्यार इट गिव्स अ बॅड नेम. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट गोवा टुरिजम म्हणून येता आनी तिचेर रेप जाता आनी आयज खंय तरी तो एक्यूज पडोन वता. सो डज इट गिव द फॉरेन नॅशनल जावं भायले जे ट्युरिस्ट येता तांकां तेंच्या मनार कितें परिणाम जातलो की गोवा इज नॉट सेफ फॉर गर्ल्स एंड वुमन. From where we get the tourism then? First and foremost, proper security cannot be provided for the woman. आणि दुसरे म्हणतात ते, and women on the other side, like they feel that guilty cannot be punished here, are not being punished.
रामचंद्र यल्लप्पाक सोदून गेल्ले कडेन पुलिसांक दुसरे केशीत जाय आशिल्लो आरोपी सांपडलो. लोटले मिलाग्रिस कपेलांत चोरयेच्या प्रकरणात नूर मोहम्मदाक पुलीस सोदताले. मुंगूळ रेल्वे ट्रॅका लागीं तो पुलिसांच्या हाताक लागलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.